Hi, Miss Nelida Reyes. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi ma'am, I'm Nelida Reyes, 33 years old. I came from Sinait, Ilocos Sur, here in the Philippines. I have two kids, 4 years old and 3 years old.
Do you have kids?
Yes ma'am,
How many siblings do you have?
9 ma'am, and I'm number 10, youngest.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am undergraduate because I did not finish my college because of financial problem. My parents, they did not afford my tuition.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes ma'am. I'm working before in Qatar as a cleaner, babysitter, assistant teacher, and waitress for 2 years and contract.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, friendly, honest, and fast learning, and also I have a long patience.
Do you have any tattoos?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why would you want to work abroad?
I want to go abroad because I want to save money for my future children education.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
I want to talk to him calmly, and also you need to long patience, and also you make spending quality time together.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, banana, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad.
What is your message to your future employer?
Hi, mom, sir. If you're giving me a chance to working with you, I am a hardworking, honest, fast learning, and also I have a long patience. Thank you.